Shopify versus Etsy, which platform sells best? Now, e-commerce continues to grow rapidly, and two platforms remain at the center of the online selling conversation, Shopify and Etsy. But which one is better for your business this year? Whether you're just starting out or scaling an existing brand, choosing the right platform can make or break your success. In this video, we'll talk about Shopify and Etsy head-to-head, exploring everything from features, fees, customization, and audience reach to help you decide which platform sells best. Before we proceed into our main review, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. First things first, let's talk about the platform's overview. Shopify is a dedicated e-commerce platform that lets you build your own standalone online store. It simply offers complete control over your branding, design, and customer experience. Shopify is ideal for sellers looking to create a long-term brand and build an independent business with fewer limitations. Etsy, on the other hand, is a marketplace, a community of buyers and sellers focused on handmade, vintage, and unique goods. It's great for beginners and creators who want to simply get in front of a built-in audience without the need for web development or heavy marketing upfront. And so, we then have our ease of use. Simply with this category, Etsy wins in simplicity. It's very beginner-friendly. You can just create an account, upload your listing, and start selling. No need to design a website or worry about hosting. Meanwhile, Shopify requires a bit more effort at the beginning. You need to choose a theme, customize your store, set up payment gateways like for Payoneer, PayPal, and bank account. However, it comes with an intuitive dashboard, drag and drop editor, and plenty of resources to help you build fast. And so, with the fees and pricing. Now, Etsy charges a 20-cent listing fee per item, plus a 6.5% transaction fee and an additional payment processing fee that varies by region. This cost adds up quickly, especially as you scale your business. Now for Shopify, they charge a monthly fee starting for $19 a month. Now this is on the pay yearly, which will save you 25%. But if you navigate through the pay monthly option, the cheapest one is going to be around $25. And in other countries, this is going to be $40. It doesn't charge listing fees, but it does have transaction fees unless you use the Shopify payments. While the monthly cost seems higher, Shopify becomes more cost-effective the more you sell, especially with larger inventories. And so let's talk about the customization and branding. Now, Shopify takes the lead here. You get full control over your website's design, branding, checkout process, and customer journey. You can simply use themes, apps, and custom codes to go ahead and create a unique online store that's only designed for you. Now, Etsy has a mixed or fixed format. Every shop on Etsy looks and functions slightly similar. While you can add your logo and a banner, your brand is still only part of the Etsy ecosystem, meaning you're limited in how much you can stand out from your competitors. We then have our traffic and audience. Etsy's biggest advantage is in its traffic or built-in traffic. Now, Etsy draws millions of monthly shoppers actively searching for handmade and creative products. If you're new and don't have an audience yet, Etsy can bring eyes to your listings very fast. With Shopify, it relies on you to drive traffic through your SEO, social media marketing, paid advertisements, or email marketing. But once you have built that audience, it's yours. You own your customer data, unlike Etsy where customers' details are limited and you can't retarget as freely. With that, we then have our scalability and growth. Shopify is built to scale. Whether you're processing 10 or 10,000 orders a day, it can handle your growth. You can integrate with fulfillment centers, run advanced marketing campaigns, and expand internationally. It's ideal for long-term business models, while Etsy is better for side hustles and smaller operations. It can be limiting once you grow, as you don't own the platform or have full control over your store. Many Etsy sellers eventually migrate to Shopify once they hit consistent sales. For the next one, we have our app integrations and feature. Shopify App Store is massive with over 8,000 applications for marketing, shipping, analytics, inventory, and customer support. This allows you to fully customize how your store operates. Now, Etsy has limited integrations and fewer automation tools. You can use third-party services to connect with Etsy, but you don't have the same level of built-in tools and flexibility as you do with Shopify. For the next one, we have customer trust and shopping experience. Etsy is a trusted marketplace, and shoppers feel secure buying from it. That trust can help boost conversions, but your product will always be listed next through your competitors right here. Just below this specific product, you have your reviews and you have your competitors. Now with Shopify, your store looks more professional, especially when done right. You can create a clean branded checkout and keep your customers focused only on your products, no distraction from other sellers. And so we then have our marketing tools. Shopify gives you full access to powerful marketing tools from abandoned cart emails to Facebook and Google Ads integration, SEO tools, and detailed analytics. You can control your campaign, targeting, and customer journey. Etsy limits your ability to remarket and doesn't provide full access to customer data. Etsy ads exist, but they're more automated and less customizable compared to the Shopify's advanced feature. And so to finish the video off, which platform sells best? The answer depends on your goals. If you're just starting out, want to test product ideas, or sell handmade items without worrying about building a website, Etsy is a great place to begin. You'll get immediate access to buyers and low upfront cost. But if you're serious about building a brand, want full control, scalability, and better marketing tools, Shopify is the better investments. It might take more work upfront, but it gives you the freedom to grow your business your way. Ultimately, many successful sellers start on Etsy. The transition to Shopify to scale is very common. You can even use both to maximize exposure and build your own loyal audience. So that's it. Hopefully this video helped you to decide which platform sells best. And so with that, let me know in the comments below. Are you team Etsy or Shopify? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if this video has been helpful, follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.